This is is a special sound. We make it by sticking out our tongue and gently biting it. But make sure you don't bite too hard. Is a special sound because sometimes it is an electric sound and sometimes it isn't. Can stretch into other sounds like this.
That. The.
Or like this.
To. Te.
Likes to go into words like thumb, this, 3, and that. No matter if th is making a th or a th sound, it loves to go into T and H together. Whenever we see a TH, we know one of these sounds is in it. But it's not so easy to know which sound TH will make.